Hey there guys, today we're gonna make a speed run. We're gonna create a mobile app like you're seeing in the screen in just 60 seconds without a single line of code, and even you can create these mobile apps using your own phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the link below because I'm gonna leave you a Notion full page with all the steps that you need to do to create your own app. So we are here. The first step is write your idea inside of this prompt. This is a prompt that you're gonna copy. You need to copy. For example, I got this idea, a quotable with a mix of neon, retro, and modern style. So we copy this prompt. We move to cloud. This could be cloud, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, any other LLM. All right. We copy and paste the prompt with your idea. Remember, write the idea. We wait for the response, right? Perfect. All right. We are gonna copy here the prompt, the result, because this is a post. All right. Now, go to x.com, previously called Twitter, and we are gonna post this one. All right. Always remember, guys, tagging this account called Lovable Build because this is an AGI that are gonna help us to create our app. So we post this one, right? And just wait that the magic happens. All right, let's wait a bit. I'm gonna make a cut meanwhile you are waiting. So let's get back. All right, guys, it's already done. We got here our app. I'm gonna open it from the browser. Or you can see is here, but the best way to show you this is using a phone. So let's make another quick cut to show you all the capabilities from a phone. All right, guys, we are here with the phone. Let's move on to check this app, check the responsiveness. All right, perfect. You can see here, you can see in the screen. So we got this quotable, this app functionally with different features like copy the quote, share this quote to your friends, and even download this photo as a JPG, PNG, and different quote has been alright. Always work, but there's a one thing that is left in here is turning this into a clickable app. To do this is pretty simple, just going to the three dots there in the corner to add to the desktop. Right, you can change the name. I'm gonna leave this name, the neon for the bold, add, and it's right. So when I want to use this app, it's so easy. Just go and click on there, and we got it. And yeah, that's all. That's the tutorial to create a mobile app only using a single post of X under a 60-second and full responsive for any mobile device. So guys, if you like a lot this video, please show me your support with a like. Remember, in the link below is gonna be the all the steps to create this app step by step, and especially the prompt that you need to use. So this was Rom. So this is all my vibers. See you